Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. I am going to teach you general knowledge of class 3, that is GK. In previous class we had studied about this topic, the blue sky. Okay, and I hope all of you understand this topic very nicely. Now today I am going to teach you weather and climate. Okay, so today we are going to learn about weather and climate. So students, first of all we will understand what is weather and what is climate. So you can underline here, weather means day-to-day state of temperature, wind, rain, etc. on the earth. Understand students? Weather is day-to-day state of temperature, means heat, okay, or cold, okay, that is the temperature. Then wind, rain, etc. on the earth, whatever we feel day to day, okay, means daily. Then climate. Now we will see what is climate. Climate is the type of weather, okay, climate is the type of weather we see over a long period, like winter, summer, okay. So that is the climate. The earth has 4 seasons, okay, we are having 4 seasons. First one, summer, winter, spring and autumn. Yes, so we are having 4 seasons. Now I hope all of you understand what is weather and what is climate. Yes, you will underline this. Weather means day-to-day state of temperature, wind, rain, etc. on the earth. This is weather, okay. Then climate is a type of weather we see over a long period. So from that we can conclude that weather means day-to-day, means a daily temperature, okay, or daily weather. Then climate is a long period. Climate is having a weather that is going for long period. Then the earth is having 4 seasons, summer, winter, spring and autumn. Now come on the fill in the blanks. We will see fill in the blanks using the correct word. Here 2 options are there, so we have to find out correct one, okay. So first one, a weathercock shows dash of the wind. So this is, you can see in your book, this picture, this is a weathercock, okay, this is a weathercock. What it will show you directions, like you can see here, N means north, east, west and this S means south, okay. So this weathercock shows the direction, so this direction is correct answer, okay. Then second one, a dash is a violent and fast wind, okay. So you can choose from this hurricane or wind. So correct answer is hurricane. Hurricane is a violent and fast wind. Then third one, atmospheric condition prevailing for a long period are called. Here student we had understand here na. Yes, we had seen this climate is the type of weather we see over a long period. So it is about long period. So the correct answer will be climate, okay. Then come on fourth one, dash changes from day to day. So the correct answer will be climate or weather. Correct answer will be weather. Weather changes from day to day. Fifth one, as we go dash it becomes cooler. Okay, higher or lower? Higher. As we go higher it becomes cooler. As you can observe, we will if we go on mountains it will be cooler. Okay. So as we go higher it becomes cooler. Then sixth one, dash is a season of beautiful flowers. So spring or winter? Spring. Okay, spring is a season of beautiful flowers. Then seventh one, cotton clothes are worn in dash, summer or winter? In summer. So cotton clothes are worn in summer, okay, not in winter. In winter we wear woolen cloths, okay. So correct answer will be summer. We can dash the air around us. We can see. No, we can't see the air. We can feel the air around us. Okay. So, for today, this is enough. Okay. So, this is page number 6 of your GK book. Students, you will write these fill-ups, okay, in this book only. Okay. No need to write this fill-ups in your copy. You will write same as I had done in book, okay. So I hope all of you understand this topic nicely. So thanks for this class. Good day.